Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and I got the Bearcat back out here. We got new landing gear on it. We do have a little bit of wind, but that just makes it a little more fun with this airplane. Let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. All right, guys, we're going to take off into the wind. It's over here to the south, and throttle cut is off. We won't need no flaps because this airplane takes off nice and quick. Yeah, let's do high rates. We'll go low rates. All right, let's do it. There we go, turned into the wind. I do have the tank on the bottom today. And man, this airplane's so much fun. Let's do it. I do have a 4S battery in there today. About half throttle. There we go, gear up. And it's diving on me just a touch. So adjust that elevator just a little bit. I don't know if I adjusted it wrong. Over there it feels really good. We do have a little breeze. Is playing with it just a little bit, and I did my well rehearsed by now. This airplane, when you roll it, does not want you to use the elevator until you come out of it, that is. I did it again. I can't help myself. I always push on that elevator when it's inverted. And this airplane doesn't need it, but nice. That was a beautiful pass. We do have just a little too much crazy wind, but it is handling really well. Trying to let it sink in here. Woo! It was gonna turn at me. The wind pushing it just a little bit because I'm going straight into the wind when I do that pass. There we go, start out there a little ways. There we go, no, perfect. I didn't push on the elevator and it looked much better. We'll pull a loop off with this thing. Letting it go nice and big. Bringing it out, coming right at me. And bring it back around towards us. Much better. Yeah, this airplane is so much fun, and I'm so glad that I got those retracts fixed. I was trying to decide if I was going to fix it or just sell it or what, but I spent some time. There was spots where the foam was showing through. I went through and I mixed up some paint to try and get it as close as I could, and touched up all those spots where the white was showing. Put the new retracts on it. Even touched up the yellow on the propeller, making it look so much better. I did buy a new propeller and a new canopy because the canopy on there, it's not real bad, but it's got a little wrinkle in the plastic that I don't think I can fix. And so I wanted a new one, at least for when I just got it sitting around, to look nice. I can fly with this one because you can't see it while I'm in the air, but like if I take it somewhere where there's going to be other people looking at it, I can throw the other canopy on it and make it look just a little bit nicer. It's no show queen. I've had it for a while now, and you guys have seen the things that I've done. It's not had a great easy life, but it's a lot of fun to fly. Now, I've had somebody tell me that I need to pick up from Banana Hobbies. I guess there's a Wildcat that looks a lot like this, has some special retracts that pull up into the body instead of like this one where they go up in the wing or in the fuse. And I don't know, I've seen bad reviews on their website even, so I'm kind of nervous to buy those airplanes that have the bad reviews from people that have bought them. I don't know. You guys leave me comments if you think it's worth buying. Maybe I'll look at it a little closer. I guess it's got wings that fold up for like if it was on an aircraft carrier. I don't know. Oh, stalled right there. Suppose it's because I was going with the wind when I started to loop. I came out of it a little too hard, I'm sure. I am in low rates, but here the full scale going overhead. I am staying quite low, so definitely not in the way. This next pass we'll throw the flaps on, or at least half. Don't want to get too out of sorts here. Well, I kind of didn't like that. We'll pick the juice back up and get that gear down. We'll check it as I come by here, and we'll probably land with the flaps off. Looks pretty good. In fact, this airplane I think I have it programmed for safe. So let's take a look at one pass with safe on and see if that's an option. Or no, that's gear. Maybe I don't have. There's safe. Yep, looks good. So let's take it back around with safe on. It is making my turn really, really shallow or wide. Shallow as in it doesn't turn hard. But that's a lot of safe right there, just holding it nice and straight for me. I'll take it. This wind's just enough to make it a little nervous. I suppose it would have been better in high rates with safe on. So I did go to high rates with safe on. So let's take it back off and see how it handles going through the turns this way. We'll leave the gear down. It's a little sharper with high rates on, but not a lot. And we'll bring it down just a little bit for the approach there. That's about perfect. Staying in the power here just a little bit as it approaches. Nice and easy. I'll take it. And the wind keeping it from turning around here. There we go. The Bearcat, the wind just pulled it back around. All right, so I'll pick it back up. That's the Bearcat, handling good again, has good retracts again. Just happy to have it all back to normal. So the Arrows Bearcat, man, I sure wish they wouldn't have discontinued this one. It is so awesome. I actually like it better than their other warbirds. The T-28 and the Mustang, not a big, there wasn't nothing wrong with those. I just preferred this airplane over those. Yeah, man, that was a good flight. I wish the wind would have been a little less crazy, but hey, it seems like here recently, days like this are about as good as it gets. And big thanks to the Lord for some sunshine and not so cold. And I appreciate all you guys supporting the channel. I'm just having fun with RC, trying to do it as often as possible. And until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.